Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter like my fitness. Toast peanuts lightly and let them cool briefly before processing. Use a food processor and pulse in 20 to 30-second bursts, scraping the bowl each time. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of neutral oil and a pinch of salt, tasting as you go. Stop when the texture matches your preference, whether chunky or smooth, and store in a sealed jar. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. You only need roasted peanuts, a neutral oil, a pinch of salt, and a reliable food processor. Measure ingredients precisely so you can reproduce the result, and keep a spatula handy to scrape down the sides. Working in short pulses prevents overheating and helps you control texture, producing peanut butter that matches the original MyFitness style. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for keeping you hydrated while you cook, gym, or meal prep, and it seals well so no spills near the peanut butter. Check the description for the link and other deals where available. Grab one if you like it, and now let's get back to the video. Start by pulsing to chop the peanuts into small pieces, then switch to a continuous blend for a minute or two to coax out the oils. Add oil slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, so you can stop when it spreads easily but still tastes like peanuts. If you prefer chunky, set aside 1/4 of the peanuts and stir them in at the end. Cool before sealing to preserve freshness and prevent condensation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.